On October 12, 2023, police on duty received a report of an attempted carjacking involving a black Ford Explorer. Spotting the vehicle in question, officers activated their lights and sirens. The suspect fled the scene at high speed, prompting a chase to begin.
Yeah, we're going to use 19. 446, I've got it lit up. We're continuing. Go to the air, in pursuit.
46, copy up to 1944.
Roger 2 is going to be with them on the secondary. 502, when you can, take calls. He's driving in both lanes.
46, location now.
Southbound approaching Mineral Mountain, both ramp station.
Have you approaching Mineral Mountain?
The driver rapidly accelerated, reaching speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. Exhibiting reckless driving behavior, they dangerously navigated the mountainous area, showing complete disregard for the safety of others.
Our southbound driving on Middle Road.
85 miles per hour.
502, that's mile close, 95.
Have you copy 95, top on and
78 miles an hour. Yeah, he just cut the corner on the wrong side, and we're slowing down. He's driving both lanes. He just passed a white SUV on a blank corner, double yellow.
The police accelerated to pursue the car when they observed the suspect slowing down. They executed a pit maneuver, causing the vehicle to spin and crash into the guardrail.
Shots fired!
Have you shot fired? I didn't see it.
The police successfully carried out a second pit maneuver, causing the vehicle to flip over and come to a complete stop. The driver attempted to crawl out but was trapped and had to request assistance from the officers. The driver, identified as 37-year-old from Coeur d'Alene, was arrested and taken into custody on charges of robbery, murder, and other serious offenses.
Back up, get close. I think he's going to turn around and start shooting at me. Yeah.
On December 14, 2023, Michigan State Police received a tip from the public about a suspect who had stolen a pickup truck. The police swiftly responded, locating the suspect and resolving to apprehend him, determined not to let him escape. The police quickly located the vehicle, with the driver recklessly speeding and endangering other motorists. The risk of a serious accident was escalating, prompting officers to make the decision to terminate the chase as soon as possible for safety reasons.
Get on the right.
The chase concluded when police executed a successful pit maneuver, causing the vehicle to skid off the road and crash into a tree. The suspect then exited the car and fled on foot, prompting officers to immediately pursue him.
doing? Shut your hands! You're gonna get shot! Stop! Stop running! Stop! Get on the ground! On the ground!
The police swiftly subdued the driver, identified as Eddie Simmons, and escorted him to the patrol car. He was then taken to the police station, where he will face legal consequences for his actions, with appropriate punishments for those who break the law.
After setting a supermarket on fire, the suspect jumped into a gray Buick, speeding recklessly through the streets, running red lights and weaving dangerously in a desperate attempt to evade the police pursuit.
Lights out, wrong traffic. It's a Chevy Malibu, no plates.
Chevy Malibu, no plate. Your color?
It's gonna be green color, and we're on Prospect right now. Going westbound on Prospect. We're in my car. Three on Raymond.
3, okay, Raymond, my vehicle.
The chase ended as the police forced the vehicle into a parking lot. The suspect abandoned the car, ran through a backyard, but was quickly subdued, now facing charges of arson and reckless behavior. Tension erupted as the driver made an illegal U-turn and sped away, forcing police into action. The chase lasted 20 minutes before pausing for aerial surveillance, only to reignite with even more intensity. After colliding with a sign, the suspect was cornered and fired at the police. Under pressure, the officers responded with precision, successfully apprehending him and securing the area.